Because I have noticed that today the bookshops in Italy or in Europe are full up of Osho's books, more than before. How is that?
You see, when Osho was alive, he created the first commune in 1974 in Pune, India, and he left the body in 1990. So in this period, he was talking every day, and he was recorded and then published as a book. So there are thousands of books of Osho, which are continuously published in India and then in the rest of the world, in America, in Europe. When he was alive, a master, when he's alive, people, the majority of people in the planet are afraid. Because a real master always brings some new message. Like Jesus brought a new message in Israel at the time he was alive. His message was love. Love people, be simple, be human. And basically the message was of love. And this was absolutely new for Jewish tradition. Osho came in his body to bring this new message for humanity. Today humanity is at the edge of collapsing. Osho knew it in a previous life, and he took his body in this life in purpose to bring this message for a new man, for a new human beings, which is a melting of religion and science together, a melting of female energy and male energy together, a melting of creativity and a melting also of meditation, a melting of joy and religion. The majority of religions today in the planet are serious. You know,
so he's known all over the world today, we can say.
When the masters die and leave the body, his message, he told us before leaving the body, when I will not be in the body, my message will be spread all over. Mm-hmm. And this is what happened. Now, people are ready to understand this message much more than 30 years ago.
Mm-hmm. So, yes, may I ask you a question? You belong to the first generation of sannyasi.
Yeah, we can say that. Yeah,
yeah, we can say that. Yes, but there are today a lot of sannyasi who have spent their lives with Osho, who today find themselves poor, sick, childless, and without social support, because they didn't build up a life, a career, so they find themselves in this way. Can we say they were the famous sick aids of Aesop's fable?
Not really. You see, I repeat what I said before. When the master is alive, 99% of people are scared to be close to him, because if you are close to him, you have to drop your ego. You cannot stay with a life master if you are in the ego. So today is much more easy to be with him, because you don't need to drop the ego immediately, because the master is there and can hit you every day. You will see in my book how many hits he gave to me personally when I was living close to him.
And how is it that all the many sannyasis?
The old sannyasis, that's the people who have been with him, when he left the body, was really, really difficult to come back and live a normal life. Because it's like living in paradise, in love, meditation, joy, freedom, and creativity, total love, total freedom. And then he leaves the body, the commune is not there anymore, the resort is there, the place is there, but he didn't want the commune, the people stuck.
They risked a lot.
We risk a lot, we risk everything. I was a doctor already and I dropped my profession, I dropped
Yes, in
my
fact,
family, you
in
can
fact,
see in
this
the book,
book,
and I dropped everything to be with him. And that's what all the people did to be close to him.
yes, but you built a career. You
When
built,
Osho left the body, I came back in the West, in Italy, and I built my career with the experience of 12 years being with the Light Master. But for many disciples of Osho, this was difficult to connect again. So today the scene is different. When people are taking sannyasi, are just people with family, with children, with profession. There are people who have a career.
because there are many
There
young
are many,
people
yeah.
who are following his,
There are old
teachings.
people, there are all kind of people, because Osho is for everybody. So they are young, but are not just young. They are, the majority, I say, there are people between 30 and 50.
They don't stop doing what.
No,
what
they don't drop the family
Okay.
like we did. They stay in
And
the
there is a
family.
difference
They stay-
between the first and second generation.
Yes, yes. They stay with the family, they stay with the work, with the job they have, but they include meditation. They include Osho's teaching,
That's fine. That's
which
fine.
is be total, be joyful, celebrate life, meditate. This they include Osho's teaching.
Because the first generation of the sannyasi made a break, a total break with the past.
Yes, we
That's
need
why
to do that.
I
We need to
think-
do that, like we need to do in
It
1968.
was very dangerous for you because everything was new.
Yeah, we didn't care. When he was alive, I didn't care at all whether it was dangerous or not. I only cared to be close to him, because to be close to him means my beloved was there. So that was my main issue.
And I would like to ask you something about love. But love in a relationship. How do you manage to stay in a stable relationship and free sex as Osho's teaching?
Well, you asked me this question maybe because in the book
Yes.
you
Yes.
refer to the book.
Yes, I refer to your
we
book.
were quite free in the relationship.
And you suffered a lot because maybe you wanted to have you were in love with some women, but you couldn't go on
Well, there
with
was
this
only
relationship.
one relationship, but we had to understand that Osho was not for a steady relation. Osho was for nothing steady, because life is not steady. Life is a river that flows. You cannot get the river get stuck there like you do the dam. You create a dam in the river, you have a water, but this is not flow water anymore. The water becomes stagnant. There is no flowing, there is no new events happening. So Osho,
It's very challenging.
it's a challenge. Life is challenging. You see, but because mind is afraid, then mind wants a security.
Yes.
So wants the family, wants a security.
So you can make a plan.
Osho was not for security, for sure.
You can have a plan. You can put the basis of a steady relationship.
Well, you can, I say, you can see in this book, I have many relationships, like all of us, we were free to be with women, men as we like in the moment. The thing is, you never know before if I can stay with you for 1 month, for 1 week, or for 10
You don't
years.
know anything
Because
about the
it's a
future.
melting of energy, it's a very delicate alchemy between a man and woman. So we cannot decide before how long this alchemy is going to last,
Yes,
or what this alchemy is going to bring out, what will be the outcome. So if the alchemy between a man and a woman is good, then you can stay for 10 years or 20 years. Osho was not against necessarily a steady relationship. Osho was for a total yes in life. So if the relationship is good and makes you happy,
So we can
it's a yes.
say which Osho is still actual
Osho is more actual now and
than before.
will be than before. and will be more actual in the next centuries. Osho is a master for the new human beings, so it will be understood more and more, and more the time is passing, more his book will be sold, and more disciples will come to him.
Yes, but then you had a lot of problems, as you say in this book, when you were in America.
Yes.
In the new commune, you spent a lot of energy in building up a city, a town, and then you had to close everything and go away, and then you had a lot of misadventures.
Yes, we had a lot of trouble in America, and Osho created in America in 3 years. We created.
It was an ambitious project.
Yeah, it was a very big property. It was a huge land with a big river. We created airports. We created asphalt road, hotel, 5-star hotel, shopping mall. We had our own sheriff. We have our own police.
And you was betrayed by someone.
Well, it's no betrayed. I cannot really judge it. If you can see in the book, I describe everything without trying to be judgmental.
Yes.
Because the experience in America was, for me, a great experience. It's like many people were coming close to Osho for different reasons. Not the real reason to have a master and to be in love with the master. They were coming for different reasons. And after the range, all these people disappeared.
For money?
They were coming for money, for sex, for prestige, for something new.
Curiosity.
For curiosity. Many people love the idea to create a city in America. It's fixed.
A new life.
America, but it's
in a
fixed
new
idea
place.
to create a
because
city,
the new world, the new man.
The Americans, the people from Europe, they come to the new land
And so
to create something new.
they have this idea,
This idea of
this
cowboy,
dream, the
this
American dream.
The American dream. You know.
Yes, that's
So many of these people disappear. But what is left from that experience of the ranch is that we understood that we had to be in our own energy, just follow our feelings. As Osho teaches us in America, trust your doubts, follow what you really feel.
Was it an error, it means?
I don't think it was an error. It was what it was necessary to be. Because after that, Osho didn't build the commune anymore in Pune 2, we came back in India. But he created a temple. He said people have to come in the temple, meditate, and then go back to their house. So from that moment, things were ready to prepare the land when he was dying.
So
and that's what happened. When he died, he left the body. Now it's a temple, you can go in Pune, meditate, and go back to your
So
temple.
it wasn't considered as a failure?
I never consider anything as a failure.
Okay.
There's always a lesson to learn.
Okay, that's good. Life has to be lived
Yeah.
even in the dark sides and in the negative ways.
It's part of life.
It's part, and you can take a teaching from
Yes, well,
any
most of the time you
adventures.
take a better teacher from the negative part of life.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.